Role of small business in India. Dear children, you know that India is a developing country. It is not a developed country like other some of the European countries, America, etc. So we have, as a developing country, India has many problems in the sense unemployment is there, illiteracy is there, poverty is there. Many type of problems are facing by the people of a country. Infrastructure facilities are very less. So, among this problem, when we see about for the growth of the country, small scale industries play a very important role. Let us see how it is. Employment is the first point I will explain. In small scale industries, they use labor intensive technique for the production instead of capital intensive technique. By using labor intensive technique, the industry provide many employment opportunity to the human being, to the people. So it promote a large employment opportunity to the people of the country than the large industries. And if through this it promote the self employment, and the growth of small scale industries help to remove the unemployment problem of our country. Another point we can say, it helps in the balanced regional development of our country. Small scale industries leads industrialization in the rural areas. Usually larger industries are established in industrial cities or developed cities only, but small scale industries does not follow that system. It is not affordable for them to establish the industry in larger cities, so they establish the industries into their own area. So it avoid the concentration of industries in a particular area. That means a balanced distribution of industry all over the country happens through the small scale industries. By providing employment, it helps to check the migration of the people from the rural areas to urban. Usually people migrate from the villages to city mainly for the purpose of in search of employment. If the small scale industries are established in all parts of the country, the migration to the larger city is not necessary, so that can be checked. Another point what we can say is optimization of a capital. That means small scale industries require only less capital per unit of output when we compare it with the larger scale and industries. Therefore, greater output from the small investment happens in small scale industry. It also provides quick returns. The goods which are provided in small industries are such a type of consumer goods which will be sold in the market very easily, and the invested money can be come back into the industry in the form of profit. Then mobilization of local resources. Small scale business uses the idle resource from the local areas, in the sense different people's the saving money, the small savings which are in the hands of the people, which are idle, which is not using in any productive purpose, these all money can be utilized by small scale industries. It promote the new businessmen to come up, and it give employment opportunities for such a type of people. A small scale industry make it possible that with a small investment people can establish the business, so that their unemployment problem can be removed. Another thing, exchange earning. Small scale industry do not need imported technology, very highly sophisticated machinery, nothing of that kind. Thus, no import of such machines and technology is necessary, so that it can save the foreign money. It also help to earn foreign money through the production and exporting the goods to the foreign countries. It promote an egalitarian society.